Hello beautiful friends, this is Aiza and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do an unboxing and swatches for the new collection Cavity Palette and Blood Sugar Anniversary Collection. And without further ado, let's get on the video! Okay, so here is the box, and let's go ahead and open it. So the first thing we have in here is the receipt, and then we have pamphlet, and then here we have the Blood Sugar Anniversary eyeshadow palette, and it says here Blood Sugar, and this is what's inside. Let's open it. The next thing that I have in my box is the Blood Sugar Mini. Let's go ahead and open it. These are the shades. I'm so excited to use them. Okay, so the next thing in the box is this one. It says Cavity. Let's open it. The next one in the box is this lipstick vault. Whoa, it's so big. open it. Yay! It's so beautiful! Oh my gosh! So Jeffree Star said on his video that there is 16 new shades in this vault, and I'm very excited to try it. Oh my gosh! So there's that, and I believe that this is the last thing inside the box. And let's open it. This is the mirror. So it looks like this. Wow, it's so pretty. Wow. Okay, so before I move on to the swatches, I just want to let you know some information about the shipping, just in case some of you are interested to know how long do they ship since you place your order and how long it was delivered to my place. So this collection was launched on February 26th at 10 a.m. PST, and I placed my order between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. and they shipped my order on March 3rd, and it's like 5 days since I placed my order, and it arrived on March 6th. So it's like 3 days since they shipped my package. Alright, let's do swatches, and let's start with this Cavity Skin Frost Highlighter Palette. Okay, so let's start with the Icing IV. Next one is this Candy Frost. Next one is this Rose Cold. Last one is this Frozen Prick. So now let's go ahead and swatch this Blood Sugar eyeshadow palette. Let's start with the shade Glucose. This is Sugarcane, Cake Mix, Ouch, Donor, Intravenous, next is from Candy Floss to Root Canal. Candy Floss, Tongue Pop, Sweetener, Cavity, O Positive, Root Canal, Okay, so now let's do from prick to coma. Prick. Cherry soda. Fresh meat. Blood sugar. Extraction. Coma. So now let's do the swatches of these blood sugar mini palette. So since all of these shades are from the blood sugar eyeshadow palette except from this one shade right here, it is called Wisdom, I already did the swatches, and now I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one shade for you. So these right here are the swatches from the Blood Sugar Mini Eyeshadow Palette. And the last thing that needs to get swatched in this collection is this one. It is the Lipstick Vault. I'm actually gonna do a try-on swatches for this lipstick, but I'm gonna do a video separately because these are 25 lipsticks, and if I will include it in this video is going to be so long, so I will just upload a separate video for this one. And if you are interested to watch that video, please check the description and I will definitely put the link below. Also, I'm actually gonna do a makeup tutorial using this Blood Sugar Mini Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm also gonna put the link in the description below, or you can click this link if you are interested to watch it. So that's it, that completes this video. Thank you so much, my beautiful friends, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed and find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet, and also please don't forget to leave a comment down below. What are you picking out of this collection? What are you skipping on? Let's talk! Alright, see you my beautiful friends in my next video. Bye!